Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Iggy the Inchworm, and today we're going to be playing with my friend Izzy the Owl. We're going to be looking at cards that have the short I sound. The short I sound sounds like I. So do you want to help me find words that have the sound I inside? Once we do, we give those cards over to my friend Izzy. But I need your help. Do you want to help me? Oh, great! I love working with friends, so help me find the short I sound that sounds like I, and we're going to give the cards over to Izzy. Let's get started! Okay, here's our first card. Our first card is a gallon of milk. Does milk have the I sound in it? Say it with me. Milk. Milk. Say it again. Milk. It does have the I sound in it, doesn't it? We should give this card over to Izzy. Hey, Izzy, we have some milk for you. You want it? Okay, here we go. Let's give it to her. Here's our next card. It's lips. Lips. Do lips have the I sound inside? Lips. You say it. Great job. Do you think lips have the short I sound inside? You're right, they do. Let's give these lips over to Izzy. Okay, here's our next card. It's a bag. Say bag. Bag. Does bag have the I sound in it? Nope, it doesn't have the I sound. It's got the A sound. So we're not going to give this one to Izzy. Bye-bye, bag. Here's the next card. It's a pink wig. Does wig have the I sound in it? You say it with me. Wig. Wig. It sure sounds like it's got the short I sound to me. Wig. So hey, Izzy, want a pink wig? Oh no, you don't have to wear it. You can just take it. Here you go. Here's our next card. It's a coat. Can you say coat? Coat. Coat. Does coat have the I sound? You're right, it doesn't. So we're going to put this one to the side and not give it to Izzy. Here's our next card. Do you know what this is? That's right, it is a fish. Say fish. Fish. Does it sound like it has that I sound in it? Fish. It does, doesn't it? Hey, Izzy, we got another one for you. Here you go. We're on our next card already. Do you know what that is? That's a lock. Lock. Does lock have the I sound? No, I don't hear I hear lock. So we're not going to put this lock by Izzy. She only likes the short I sound. Here's our next card. It's a pin. Can you say pin? Great job. So do you think pin has the I sound in it? Say it again. Pin. It sure does have the short I sound. So let's make sure that we give this one over to Izzy too, because this is the kind of short vowel sound she loves. Our next card is a pig. Pig. Can you say pig? Great job. Does pig have the I sound in it? You're right again, it does. Hey, Izzy, we have another card for you. You want it? It's a little piggy. Okay, here it comes. Oh, do you guys know what this one is? It's a bus. Bus. Does bus have the I sound? No, it doesn't. It's got the sound. So we're not going to give this one to Izzy. Bye-bye, bus. Oh, I like this card. Do you know what that is? It's a gift. Does gift have the I sound in it? Say it with me. Gift. Gift. It does have the I sound, the short I sound. So let's give this one over to Izzy. Hey, Izzy, we have a gift for you. Wow, we're already on our last card. Do you know what number that is? That's right. Boy, you guys are so smart. It is a 6. Does 6 have the I sound? 6. 6. It sure does have the I sound. Hey, Izzy, we have the number 6 for you, and it's the last card of the day. Here you go. Well, thanks so much, boys and girls. That was so fun going over the short I sound with you. Do you remember what the short I sound sounds like? That's right, I. And Izzy, I sure hope you had as much fun as we did, because that was a lot of fun. And you guys are so smart. Next time, we're going to do another video with a different vowel sound. Let us know which vowel sound you'd like to hear in the comments. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't.